Quick on the news update with Israel.
This past weekend in Howell, Michigan, a group of masked men with Nazi flags disrupted a play performance about Anne Frank. The protesters gathered outside the community theater, allegedly shouting anti-Semitic and racist slurs. According to the Detroit News, the demonstrators left after being told to vacate the parking lot, then engaged in a brief exchange of words with patrons while across the street. Nationwide, more than 10,000 anti-Semitic incidents have been reported since the Hamas attack on Israel last October. That's an increase of 200%.
So y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see exactly what's going on, man. And them same people, man, they was in Ohio too. Doing the same thing, man. You know. I was just trying to see what else they had. What's this? It says President Biden gives the green light to an act of war against Russia, which we already know. I'll read a little bit of this. It says on Sunday, news broke that President Joe Biden has authorized Ukraine to use long-range American missiles to strike deeper into Russia territory after the U.S. gave Ukraine the green light to strike targets on the Russian side of the border earlier this year. It says the Ukrainian government and its biggest cheerleaders in Washington have been pressuring the president to support longer range strikes, especially after Ukraine launched its invasion of Russia's Kursk region. It says Sunday they got their wish. On Tuesday, the first missile was launched at a target in Russia's Bryansk region. So yeah, man. I just figured I'd show y'all that. So yeah, man, it's getting bad out here, man. It's getting real bad. These is just like some clips. Hold on, y'all. My phone acting crazy. This is just news updates, y'all. These just news updates. I'm trying to see what they got. What's this?
Somebody for you.
Jake had to go to somebody's porch, man. What's this? So y'all see it, man. With that, I'm gonna give all honor Praise work to y'all. Bashim y'all shine. Until next time. Shalom.